Hello, Columbia, and welcome to City Talk, where we talk about great things happening here in the city of Columbia. I'm your host, Felicia Wilkes. In this new year of 2016, if your New Year's resolution is to buy a new home, well, you've come to the right place. The city of Columbia wants to help you. Felicia Wilkes with Community Development talks more about affordable housing loan programs that can help you and your family purchase your first home.
The Affordable Housing Loan Program is a program that is administered through the City of Columbia Community Development Department. And it was a program that was originally designed to assist our nonprofit entities of the city, which is our Columbia Housing Development Corporation, the Eau Claire Development Corporation, as they build and develop homes in the city. And we created that program to assist individuals to buy homes in those areas that they have placed great concentration and efforts to rebuild these neighborhoods. So to further affirmatively fair housing, we are actually offering the affordable housing loan programs to any individual that's actually interested in buying a home in the city, anywhere in the city, with the great benefits that the program offers, such as $500 required down payment, below market interest rate, which is a 3% interest rate, which is way below what the banks are actually paying out today, which is around 4.25 or so. And also one of the great benefits that the program actually offers is there's no private mortgage insurance. So that creates a much easier and better way to keep the payments down as low as they can possibly make it. It is open, available for anyone interested in buying a home. It is based on a first come, first served, first qualified. We do have guidelines that we do certainly have to follow. We have to ensure that the individual falls within income guidelines, which is 80% of the median income for Richland County. So to kind of give an idea of what that looks like, for an individual single person household individual, whereas the income does not exceed $34,550, would be eligible for the program. Of course, as your family grows and the family expands, we do provide a much larger income allowance to accommodate those larger families. So it really can still target a great number of people that can certainly qualify. If you have a desire or an inkling of a desire to actually purchase a home, we want you to certainly call our department, which is 545-3373. Even if you're not certain on where you stand in reference to buying a home, we want you to call anyways. We have 3 persons on staff, including myself, that is there to assist, provide credit counseling, to work with those individuals to get them qualified, show them and tell them how much home that they can afford to buy, and give them some parameters on where they can buy, and guidelines on what areas that they should buy into as well, because it does make a difference. But the first thing you should do is call our department and speak to one of our loan officers, and we have 3 on board. And the phone number once again is 545-3373. We're actually targeting approximately from 10 to 13 individuals to actually take advantage of this program. So we want them to start picking up the phone today and calling to assist so that we can start assisting those individuals, because it is based on a limited number of individuals. There's a certain dollar amount that we've allocated towards the program, so we want to get those folks into homes. And now that it's tax season, those tax checks and tax refunds is going to be rolling through any moment now. So we want those folks to take advantage of those refunds so that it can use to assist them with their down payments and prepare them for home ownership. If you actually was to go to your standard financial institution and apply for a mortgage loan, one of the unique things about the whole process is that you take your application and you either get an approve or a decline. One of the great benefits that we have is that we don't just give you a decline. We work with you to ensure that we get those things that may have not caused you to get an automatic approval. Work with you to get those things taken care of so that you can get approved within the next 30, 90, possibly even 6 days and moving forward. Also, standard financial institution will require a little bit larger down payment. Normally 3.5% of the purchase price. So you're looking at $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 that's required as your down payment. And then plus you have PMI on those loans. PMI can actually drive your payments up a little bit higher. anywhere from an additional $150 up to $200 to $250 based on the price of the home. So that's one of the things that we have here at the city, that there's no private mortgage insurance. So that keeps your payments down as low as possibly that we can get it. And then another great thing is that today's rate, with the institutions, financial institutions, the rates are a little bit higher. Rates have gone up within the past couple of weeks. So that has a trickle effect on the mortgage rates. We have been very successful and have still worked with our clients to keep those rates down as low as we can possibly keep it. And we've been actually maintaining that 3% interest rate for the past 2 to 3 years, and we still plan on maintaining that rate to make the homes affordable and keep the payments down as low as we can make it. Call community development, and when you call there, ask to speak to one of our loan officers. We have 3 on board, myself, Felicia Wilkes, Tracy Brown, and Brian Graves. Our contact phone number here at our office is 545-3373. Our office is actually located at 1225 Lady Street, 1225 Lady. Our office sits at the corner of Lady and Sumter, so make sure you call 545-3373. We'll be there to help you.
Well, that wraps up this edition of City Talk, where we talked about affordable housing loan programs. If you'd like more information from community development, please call 803-545-3373 or visit the City of Columbia's website at columbiasc.net. And for all city information, please contact Public and Media Relations at 803-545-3020 or visit our website. Make sure you stay tuned to City TV right here on Channel 2 for all city information. And remember, we are Columbia.